So why are you on this train today? Save Our Schools, SOS. So what are you going to be doing when you get through to Edinburgh?
To demonstrate for the rest of the crew and the kids that have. You go through to Edinburgh.
What are you going to do?
MSPs. Get their face mouth, split money where their mouth is.
Scottish Parliament. So, why are you going through there?
Through to see the MPs that represent the Glasgow constituency about the closures of the schools.
Right.
We feel that they should have their say and how they feel about it.
Okay. So, what do you think they might be able to do for you?
Well, according to information we've had, not a lot, but we intend to try and make them. Because Mr. Salmon seems to be doing a hell of a lot for other things that are less important.
Okay. So, do you think you'll get much help from the MSPs?
We have had a lot of help from specific. We have had a lot of help from specific MPs already. MSPs, Mr. Robert Brown, Mr. Bob Doris, that represent certain constituencies, have been very helpful. So we're hoping that they have been able to use their influence and convince their other colleagues in the House that it's a worthwhile cause and perhaps be able to do something.
Yeah. Well, I hope they'll listen and do something.
Hopefully.
Thanks. So what does that say in that rolled up banner you've got?
White for Greg has never been divided.
That's good.
That's the wee motto.
Very good motto it is too. Right.
We'll be singing it as well.
Are you?
We're off to Scottish Parliament.
Off to the Scottish Parliament? What are you planning to do up there?
Give a bit of shout.
Lobby the council.
Lobby the council.
Lobby the council. Anyone will listen. And what do you think they might be able to do for you?
Well, we've been told nothing. Hopefully they can put a bit of pressure on.
Aye. Maybe some of them will listen.
Maybe some of them will.
Aye.
Maybe.
We're going to the Scottish Parliament to lobby the council to see if we can get them to change their minds and do something and reopen and save our schools. Right. And do you think they'll listen? They'll listen so far? No.
If Alex Salmond is asking why Purcell shut on the schools and wants an explanation, then surely the God of the people here today might say, well, you know, there is something worth fighting for.
There's got to be something worth fighting for, do you know what I mean? If people have got court cases, I mean it is because there is some schools have got court cases, do you know what I mean, and they're taking it to court, so if the lawyers think there's a case, why don't they?
So why are you going through to Edinburgh? Try and save St Agnes. Do you think they'll listen?
Probably not, but it's worth a try, isn't it?
Aye, certainly worth a try.